Good evening folks, welcome back to the channel. We are on one of the northern beaches today. The weather has been absolutely beautiful all day. It's flat calm, there's no wind, there's bass being caught around the island, and it's a fairly decent tide tonight as well. So I'll let you into a secret. Spoiler alert, I caught my first bass in 20 years since trying to target them again this year. There's been 20 years since I caught one, and I caught one. I may have caught more than one. You'll have to watch the video to find out. Chuffed to bits. First cast. Well, I'm not sure if you saw that, but something went for that then. There's a rise right behind it. I think, if I understand rightly, I should have just stopped completely, but I didn't. From what I read, with this type of lure, the pachinko, if you have a kind of like a take like that, and just to stop the retrieve, and it'll come and smash it. But not sure how true that is, but I also didn't stop immediately. But see if he comes back. Chris! Oh, is this my first bass in 20 years? Oh, happy days, look at this fella. Yeah, he doesn't want to give up, that's for sure. Yeah, it's a nice one, that.
Now, I originally had no intention of taking a bass today, but this particular one had taken the pachinko clone very deeply indeed. So after having measured it twice at 59 centimeters, which is within the Isle of Man's restrictions, we decided to dispatch it before attempting to remove the lure, which is just as well, as that proved difficult. I think I'm going to have to consider some different hooks. If you replace the hooks on your lures, let me know in the comments what type you use.
If you're interested in what I'm using tonight, this is a 8-foot H2O Nebula fast action rod. I've got a Daiwa Ninja 3000 with 20-pound Power Pro, and I've got a Bass Lures UK 500G pachinko clone. How you doing there? We had one just now. Yeah. 59. That's good timing. This is a nice friendly chap walk past. Much smaller this one though. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Hit that like button, hit subscribe, and I'll see you next time.